Hi, I'm Christian, aka Snakebird, and welcome to my channel. Numbers define who we are, so you should hit that subscribe button to help me feel better about myself. My lifelong dream is to surpass ninjaydes in subscribers, so you should really hit that button to help me out. Please enjoy the video, and remember, bigger number, better person. Alright. Welcome everybody to Shinigami's secret weapon. What is it?
So many different
I just love it when you remind
I know, she has a lot of
Master.
weapons. They're not very secretive. Whoa.
What is it this
That's a
time?
punch?
This is all for you.
You're about to punch him in the face?
Punch him back into
Ready,
the
Master?
past.
I guess so.
Wait.
A mailbox? What's that? Oh.
Oh, to the box.
It's like a Barbie playhouse.
I wonder how often we're gonna get to do this.
Probably at the end, I don't know.
Reinvestigate stuff.
What's going on?
I'm extracting your memory and materializing it inside the mystery labyrinth. This is my super cute special weapon. See, if you investigate here, you might make some new discoveries.
Oh, the shock from all this is making my head spin.
You don't have any time to waste, Master. This was pumped out of that
she's too
slow brain of
powerful.
yours, so
She can
don't
just do
assume it'll
everything.
stick
Yeah,
around.
because she's
for
a
long.
god.
You have until the pain in your head clears up. Now hurry and investigate.
Got it. Oh,
Oh, what?
I'm seeing recreation.
Oh, well, we're like, burn blanket,
Really giving us more things to investigate this.
this blanket is mostly burned.
I guess.
But some parts near the knife are unscathed. It doesn't look like there's blood on the blanket at all. But how
That's
could
what I
that
thought.
be?
Burn blanket was face over the corpse, there's no blood on the corpse.
Bloodless
Oh,
blanket.
so I can get solution keys here too.
You may have seen it, but forgotten. That just means you didn't think anything of it at the time. But it is in your memory, so you can use it as a clue.
You can do that? You're incredible,
She can do
Shinigami.
anything.
Go on, keep complimenting me.
Oh my god. This guy has the biggest migraine of all time. Ooh, cushion. I can't on the cushion. There we go.
Huh? This cushion. Was it always there?
Go ahead,
rip
then.
on the back.
So just a
it
knife
looks
was in
like
there?
It has a hole
Was
in the
that
middle
there?
of it. It was made by something sharp. What did this?
A knife. Crime scene was just recreated.
Oh,
Thanks, Shinigami.
so does that solve anything? Do you?
I know, I already knew about the blanket as I was watching back the
Oh,
thing.
it's fading.
I didn't know, though, the pillow is just something new.
Yeah.
I guess the pain is starting to go away too.
Looks like time's up. Well, did you find anything?
Yeah, I think I see the contradiction here. Although I'm not completely sold on it.
Oh, tell me, bro.
Ah, this is where you're supposed to declare, I've solved the
Yeah.
mystery. Well, if you think you're on the right
How
track,
does a pillow and a
then I
blanket
guess
solve
we
the
should do this
mystery?
next.
Do what?
It's for when you're stuck in your deductions. Remember what I said earlier? Every labyrinth has a goal. So even when you're stuck, there's always a way out. And we're gonna find it by working together.
Working together?
Lay it all out, Master!
So more
A
stuff
bear?
now.
Oh, yeah, he got
He just
everything.
has so much stuff.
Yeah, this is chapter 0, by the way.
We're gonna find out more stuff too.
He just went inside the barrel like it's a Mario pipe. Oh, it's like a Koopa Beach or whatever.
So many different settings.
Skin is so pale.
Oh, it's Shinigami puzzle.
We're gonna expose the truth together!
Okay, wait. Secret techniques uncover the hidden truth. Hid somewhere in the letters on the side of the barrel.
Oh,
No, it's like in the, yeah. These are actually all like Danganronpa ripoff puzzles, but
really?
yeah, read the question and knock out the letters in the right order.
The correct answer
Yeah,
is
it's
somewhere
like-
inside your head, Master!
Unleash a special.
Yeah, I should show you a Pro ZD skit after this, like Danganronpa, but you'll get it. Yep. Imbued with the power of truth on a special move.
Master, it's time for the
Solution keys.
Grab the key and bring it to my mouth.
Don't you
Interesting.
forget.
There's some you can't get hits from. The time limit will be. Oh.
Okay, well, let's try
Are
it.
you ready to play the Shinigami puzzle?
A red herring. Okay.
Yeah.
Where's R? How do I?
X.
Oh, it's X.
Tick tock, tick tock.
Hey, don't say that. But can you spell red?
Go, go, go.
So if we don't know the answer, we can feed her the keys to give us a hint.
Yes, basically.
Okay, but if we do know, then it's okay.
Yes, like if you know how to spell red. Yes.
Oh, heart laser beam.
Yeah.
That's
What's
right.
the box?
Yeah, edge of the
When I
box.
saw Zilch through the window, it appeared as if the knife was stuck in his chest.
But it was actually in the pillow. Oh, I
In
see.
actuality, he stabbed the blanket-wrapped cushion to make it look like he had been stabbed. That's why the blanket didn't have blood on it, even though the cushion was stabbed through.
That's what I was thinking,
It was
actually.
a red herring. It was meant to mislead us.
So I don't know if I put that in the comment, but I was thinking like it looked like there's something under like the blanket.
Well, I wonder if they did like do that.
Okay, treasure chest. What's in here? And do we fight Swank like a fourth time? All right, red herring.
Solution key.
Yeah. Okay, now we fight Swank
Was a
again.
red herring.
Yeah.
Yeah, he wasn't dead.
Zilch was faking his death to fool us. That knife was just to trick me into thinking he was dead when I looked through the window. But the Peacekeeper's report saying they all burned to death created a contradiction.
So the culprit was just plain dead. It's exactly what I said.
In a roundabout way, yes.
Which means that dead end in the abyss could have a new path now. Let's hurry back.
Ah, I see.
We come back.
Yeah, I guess we go back. Just waddling through.
So he's alive?
That's what they're implying, but I feel like it's.
Can we fall off?
I don't think we can. I will never fall off.
Oh.
What's wrong?
It's too much of a hassle to go all the way back there. I don't want to walk anymore.
Some guide you are.
Turn into a plane?
Besides, you're not even walking.
You just teleport there?
I despise effort and hard work. I want to head back the easy way.
Minecart?
I know. I
Train?
have a convenient transportation. It lets us go.
Oh no, is she gonna
anywhere
turn
you
into a
think
car
of.
like Morgana? What is this?
Now is the perfect time to use it.
Okay, I like zoom. Wow, it's like the old Pokemon games. You use fly.
Oh yeah, you just like land there.
See? Super easy.
Yeah, sure.
But unfortunately, using it does drain a little bit.
Drain a little bit of what? Do you have pee or something?
Basically.
Your lifespan.
Oh, what?
Lifespan? Again?
So we passed through.
This guy has like
all
3
the
days to live
public
now.
Oh,
off
wow.
junction and have taken the play dead turn again. Now that we have a new solution key, I'm sure we can solve this mystery and access what's ahead.
Let's give it a try.
That's a different door.
Where did this door come from?
It's the new path. Unlocked now.
Solution keys are important to solving mystery. We're gonna expose the truth together.
Okay. Interesting. Like, played red herring, right?
Yeah.
Red herring.
Zilch was trying to trick us into thinking he'd killed himself.
So true. What? Just random butterflies in the air.
A bridge!
Butterfly.
See, didn't I say the path would appear?
Easy though.
It's all I'm so amazing. You can pat me on the head if you want, Master.
Well,
Oh, I see our rocks.
maybe later.
It's okay. Only those who are worthy can see the butterflies.
We opened the play dead route thanks to the corpse red herring solution key. So Zilch really faked his death to mislead us.
If so, he is absolutely the culprit. Now, we just need to prove it.
But even if the mystery labyrinth is
I don't
fair
know,
when it
man.
comes to solving mysteries, the real world
There weren't even any animals on the board.
Oh, there they are.
No, they're not.
What
Yeah,
if
they seriously think
Amaterasu Corp decides to protect the
They're
culprit?
so big at it. I
Even
missed
if
them.
we prove who really did it.
I don't know. Find out in the next episode.